Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know what's been sitting on my desk for the past week? The absolute beast that is the ASUS ROG Strix G18. And let me tell you, this thing has completely changed my perspective on what a gaming laptop can be. Before we dive in though, if you're new here and love honest tech reviews, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Now let's talk about what makes this laptop special. ASUS didn't just create another gaming laptop. They basically stuffed a high-end desktop into this thing. We're looking at an Intel i9-14900HX with 24 cores. Yeah, you heard that right, 24 cores. When I first saw these specs, I thought, there's no way this runs without melting. But ASUS somehow pulled it off. Paired with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, running at 5,600 megahertz, this laptop laughs at multitasking. I had multiple Chrome tabs open, Premiere Pro rendering in the background, and was still able to jump into Cyberpunk without missing a beat. Speaking of gaming, oh boy, this is where things get interesting. The RTX 4070 in here is an absolute powerhouse. I've been putting it through its paces with everything from esports titles to the latest ADA games, and it hasn't flinched once. We're talking consistent 100 plus frames per second in most games at high settings. The cooling system is doing some serious heavy lifting here, and while it's not exactly quiet under full load, it's keeping everything running smoothly. Let's talk about that screen for a minute. The 18-inch display is like having a portable movie theater. The colors are rich, the response time is spot on, and the size, well, it makes every other laptop feel tiny in comparison. Whether I'm editing videos or getting lost in Red Dead Redemption, this display just pulls me in. The bezels are thin, and the overall quality is exactly what you'd expect from a premium gaming laptop. Now I've got to keep it real with you guys. This laptop isn't perfect. The biggest issue? It's literally big. At 6.5 pounds, this isn't something you'll want to carry around all day. I tried taking it to a coffee shop once, and let's just say my shoulder wasn't too happy about it. It's more of a desktop replacement than a truly portable laptop. And yeah, you'll need a pretty substantial bag to carry it around. ASUS does throw in some nice extras to sweeten the deal. You get Microsoft 365, personal included, which is great for productivity. They also include a DockStorm hub for expanding your connectivity options, and it comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. These might seem like small additions, but they add real value to the package. After using this laptop as my daily driver for the past week, here's what really stands out. The build quality is exceptional. It feels solid and premium. The keyboard is surprisingly good for long gaming sessions or typing out documents. The 2TB PCIe SSD is blazing fast. Programs open instantly and game loading screens become a thing of the past. Battery life is, well, it's a gaming laptop with desktop class components. Let's just say you'll want to keep the charger handy. Here's the bottom line. If you're in the market for a no-compromises gaming laptop and don't mind the weight, the ROG Strix G18 is an absolute monster of a machine. Yes, it's expensive, yes, it's heavy, but it's also one of the most powerful laptops I've ever tested. It's perfect for content creators, serious gamers, or anyone who needs desktop-level performance in a somewhat portable package. I'd love to hear what you think about the ROG Strix G18. Would you choose this over building a desktop? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to check out the links in the description below if you're interested in picking one up. And hey, while you're down there, why not hit that subscribe button? We've got tons more tech reviews coming your way.